What is the taxation in debt funds, and also are dividends taxed in debt funds? Industry expert Mr. Hariharan will clear your doubts.
Today, the taxation is fairly simple. Before April, there was what used to be called as a short-term capital gain and a long-term capital gain. Today, those have been done away with. So today there's only one tax. So whatever profits you make, irrespective of the time that you spend, whether you spend 1 month or 1 year or 10 years, the taxation is that whatever gains you make will be taxed as per your marginal tax rate. So if you fall in the 30% tax bracket, you pay 30% tax on your profits. If you are in the 0% tax bracket, you pay no tax. Okay, so that's the taxation bit of it. On the debt mutual funds. If you take a dividend option, so this is the growth option. Dividend options, typically the dividends is also now taxed. So dividend is also as per your income tax slab.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.